Hi, healer. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever ended a day where you had back-to-back sessions and you thought, I absolutely love my clients. I love what I do, but I really don't know how long my body can sustain this. I understand. I have been there. Hi, my name is Lisa Metzger, and I've been a hands-on healer in the massage industry for 30 years now. I have seen it all. I've worked on thousands of people. I've had very full books. I've had books that were not so full in scary times, like when the recession happened or when we had the COVID shutdown where we had zero income. And I've also, just this last year, I fell down some stairs and broke both my legs and had to have surgery on one of my ankles, which having my butt in a recliner for 3 months. And that can be very scary for a massage therapist. But here's the thing. Most healers don't know how to create an income that will get them through these kind of times, that can enable them to step back when they're feeling that burnout. So that's why I created the digital healer. So stick around, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you an easy way you can create an income that doesn't depend on you adding more sessions to your books. We're going to create an online income that can weather recessions, that can weather shutdowns or injuries, or you just want to go on a vacation without busting your butt before to make more money, spending more money on vacation, and then coming back to bust your butt again. It's like you didn't even really have a vacation. So we're going to dig deep into how to create digital income that will take the burnout, will add more income to your bottom line, and will help you to reach even more people with your healing gifts without sacrificing your soul. So stick around in the end. I'm actually got a free gift for you that can help you create your first digital product. So I'm sure my story is very similar to yours. For 30 years, I've been working in my hands-on practice. But of course, in the back of my brain is like, what if I want to retire? What do I do after retirement? I need this income. So about 15 years ago, I found a book that talked about how to create online courses and sell them on a platform called Udemy. I ran with it. I made about 15 courses. I had students from across the world, thousands of students, take my courses. And it was so much fun. And it was a relief to know that I could create something once and sell it over and over again without taxing my body. Because I knew I needed to take a step back in my practice, because I was feeling that burnout. I was feeling that kind of, not resentment, but a guilt that I didn't want to go to work some days because I was just feeling so tired. My body was starting to hurt. And even though I love my clients, I didn't want to go into the office. So I felt guilty for that. Creating an income online for me made it so that I could actually enjoy my practice again. I didn't feel resentment. I didn't feel that drive to add more sessions into my books. I was able to work my physical hands-on practice in more of a balanced way because I wasn't worried about where my next rent check was going to come from, right? So that is why I created the digital healer, because I know there are thousands of healers, massage therapists, Reiki practitioners, holistic coaches who are amazing at what they do, but they were stuck in the same cycle that I was stuck in. So this channel is here to show you how you can absolutely make more income, have more balance, and still be that heart-centered healer that you are meant to be. We have a calling, and we need to answer that calling. The world needs us right now. So we'll talk about how to create digital products step by step, even if you're not techie. I'm going to share simple tools, real-life examples, and even have some done-for-you resources and tools so that you can make your own easily. You're going to learn how to expand your reach online so that you can share your healing gifts with even more people without adding more sessions, and even those that can't physically make it to your treatment room. So here's what you can expect from the digital healer. We're going to do practical how-tos for creating and selling your digital product. We're going to talk about mindset shifts to help you see your value beyond your hands-on healing work. We're going to share stories and examples from my experience and from other healers that have also made this shift. We're going to talk about easy marketing tools because let's face it, as massage therapists, we probably aren't that into doing sales. And we're going to share some templates and tools that can cut your work by a fraction of the time. And I promise this will not be overwhelming. It's going to be simple, soulful, and aligned with your unique gifts as a healer. You've worked too hard, too long to let burnout steal your passion. There is another way, a way that lets you keep doing what you love to do without sacrificing your health, your time, or your income. If you've been feeling that nudge to find more balance in your practice, take control of your income, and just stop trading all of your time and energy for money, then I'm here to guide you. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And in the next video, if you're ready to take that first step, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your very first product using a free tool that I'm going to give you called the Micro Offer Queen. She is a pre-trained GPT that is holistically trained, so she gets where we are coming from as healers. And she will prompt you and ask you questions and help you to create your ideal micro offer so that you can get started today. In less than 2 hours, you can create your first digital product. So if you're ready to start your digital practice, click on this next video and I'll see you there.